Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of technology with the unveiling of the Fossibot F101 Pro, a rugged smartphone that blends performance, durability, and innovation. With its impressive features, this phone is a powerhouse of technology, offering an unparalleled user experience. The F101 Pro stands out with its 5.45-inch HD Plus IPS display, offering exceptional clarity and vivid imagery. The 8MP front camera allows for full HD video recordings, while the 24MP, 5MP macro, and 0.3MP bokeh triple-lens rear camera captures images of remarkable quality. The 1.32-inch IPS rear screen is a significant innovation, displaying practical information and enabling a unique selfie mode using the rear camera. In terms of performance, the F101 Pro is powered by an MT8788 Helio P60 octa-core processor with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory, expandable by up to an additional 7GB via microSD. Its Android 13 operating system ensures a smooth and intuitive experience. The phone handles demanding games like Real Racing 3 with ease, proving its capability to satisfy even the most demanding users. Connectivity is also top-notch with Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, and extensive network band support, ensuring flawless accessibility wherever you are. The built-in radio requires a USB-C headset, a practical detail for music enthusiasts. The design of the F101 Pro is both sleek and sturdy, with a black and orange finish. Despite its massive 10600 mAh battery and advanced features, the phone remains surprisingly manageable and not too heavy. Its durability is certified IP68 and IP69, making it ideal for challenging environments. Perhaps most impressive is its price. Offered at just €185.66, with an additional 12.43 coupon available on the page, it's a deal you don't want to miss. For those outside Europe, the price is also competitive at $159.11 plus an additional 13.02. For more information, feel free to check out the official links in description. In summary, the Fossibot F101 Pro is a smartphone that's sure to win you over with its performance, design, and affordability. An ideal device for those seeking a rugged, high-performing, and technologically advanced phone. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment to share your thoughts or ask questions.